Okay, so here's our last challenge. We're going to have to somehow figure out this guy. Well, again, is there anything that could be reduced up front here? Well, actually, no, there's nothing to be reduced. If there was a number, let's say like a 2 in front, we could turn around and take that 2 by itself and divide it out. Well, we couldn't do that anyways because it's got an exponent. So we're stuck. Well, actually, we're not. Remember, this is 3x plus 1 equals 6 to the power of x. The thing that I taught you in the previous podcasts is log both sides. You betcha. And start using some of those exponent laws and some of those log laws, which means you could take this guy and move it up front. So this is now, remember, x plus 1 log of 3. Now, look at this guy. You can move that guy up front, leaving you x log 6. Okay, so now you got a challenge. Watch this, because remember, this is just a number, so we can actually distribute this guy in here to give you x times log of 3 plus log of 3 times 1 is log 3. Uh-oh, boy, this is looking complicated, isn't it? No, it's not. Because you know what's neat? You've got an x on this side, and you've got an x on this side. So, yep, go back to your old roots and just combine like terms. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to say, okay, let's subtract out an x log 3 from both sides. Subtract x log 3 from both sides. So we're subtracting here. That's gone, leaving you a log 3 here. Oh boy. And check it out. You've got x log 6 minus x log 3 on this side. Well, you're probably saying to yourself, how is that going to help you? Well, real simple. Watch. You have an x here and an x here, which of course, here's something. Here's a blast from the past. Greatest common factor. Yes, you can actually factor out an x, leaving you log 6 minus log 3 on this side, equaling to log 3 on this side. Now what do you do? Well, remember, this is just a number. So guess what? Divide both sides by log 6 minus log 3. Log 6 minus log 3. And look what you have. Look at this. That cancels with that, leaving you, of course, with x equals 2. Wow. What is x equal to? This whole thing. Log 3 divided by log 6 minus log 3. Now, what do? Well, simple. Put that all in your calculator. Let's figure out the denominator first. Let's clear this. Okay, log 6 minus log, got to put that bracket in. Log 6 minus log 3, all right? There's the bracket. There's the denominator, okay? The top is just log 3, and we just want to divide the two. Divide second answer, giving you an answer of 1.5849. So 1.58 is our answer. Boom, there we go. Now don't forget we want to verify this. Let's go back to this here. Okay, so we're going to verify. Let's get rid of all of this stuff here, make it nice and pretty. We're going to put that answer, which was 1.58, back into here. So 3 to the 1.58 plus 1 equals to 6 to the 1.58, and hopefully they equal each other. So this is going to be 3 to the 2.58 equals to 6 to the 1.58, and let's figure out our answers here. Okay, so clear this. 3 to the power of 2.58, 0.58, okay, gives you an answer of approximately 17. And because I'm using rounded numbers, these should be pretty close, okay? And 6 to the power of 1.58. And here's hoping it's close to 17. And it is almost perfectly 17. So if I didn't use these rounded numbers here and here, they would be identical to each other. And that's how you solve that problem.